Hi everybody, welcome to my channel, Rosie Cooks. I made this big, beautiful pineapple upside down cake. It came out great. Let me show you how I made it. So first I got a 20-ounce can of pineapple slices. For this recipe, you need 8 ounces of pineapple juice. So I'm separating the juice from the slices. If you don't get exactly 8 ounces, go ahead and just add a little bit of water, and that'll be fine. So here's my pineapple juice. Here are my slices. So right here I have a 10-inch cast iron skillet. I turned on the fire and I made it a little bit hot. I'm going to melt 1 stick of butter and I'm adding 8 ounces of light brown sugar. I'm going to break that up and mix that together. Now, if you have a 12-inch cast iron skillet, that's even better. It'll give it more room, but it works both ways. So now I'm going to line the bottom of my skillet with my pineapple slices. Then I'm getting a little bit of the butter and I'm going to line the edges with butter. I don't want my cake to stick to the edges. Now I'm going to add my maraschino cherries, 1 inside each. And now you'll see that you have some extra pieces of pineapple. Cut them in half and line the edges like this. Adds to the beauty of the cake. So here's my bowl. I'm going to start on the cake. This is a box, 15 ounces of yellow cake mix. I'm adding 3 eggs, 8 ounces of pineapple juice. This is a vanilla instant pudding, 3.4 ounces, just the envelope. And I'm adding half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm going to mix it up and pour it on top of my pineapple slices. Okay, so now I have a 350-degree oven waiting. It's nice and hot. I'm going to put it in the oven and I'm going to cook it for 40 minutes. The original recipe says to cook it for 30 minutes, but I always need to cook it just a little bit longer. You have to cook it until you can put a toothpick in the middle and it comes out clean. And for me, it's 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, this is what you get. Now, it works perfectly with a 10-inch skillet. 12 inches, I think, would give it even more room. But because it was kind of hanging over the edges, I kind of released it on the sides with a little knife. I just didn't want to have any problems with sticking. Okay, so at this point, I have a very strong son. He helped me totally flip this upside down onto a dish. And look at what you end up with, this beautiful pineapple upside down cake. This has pineapple on the edges and on top. It's a beautiful cake and it comes out so good. And the inside, when I cut into it, it's moist, it's dense, it's tasty. If you make this for any party, you will get tons of compliments. So this is my pineapple upside down cake. Thanks for watching.